Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and best wish for all us. What I respect of is the literature in English for civic education course and my fellow student who I am proud of. Praise and gratitude we always present of presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Taala who has given us the gift of life and various infinite pleasures. The importance of love for the country. For the first time, I would like to express my deep gratitude to the lecturer along with fellow students who have contributed to the implementation of this speech activity. Ladies and gentlemen, love for the motherland is a national moral value that is manifested in element of nationalism, a deep love for someone person for the homeland, nation and country. This is love. This love soul exists in every soul and every of earth child of the nation. However, the condition of the nation children today is very far from the values of nationalism. This can be seen from the attitude and behavior of those who are proud of the custom and habits of other nations. Proud, proud to speak foreign language regardless of the origin their mother tongue, namely the language of nationalism and regional language, proud of French culture regardless of the original culture that has long died in them. Many of those who have lived abroad for a long time who still hold the status of Indonesian citizens are also embraced to admit that they are Indonesians. Slowly the national ideology began to fade along with the swift invention of foreign cultures, free market competition, and the entry of foreign influence in our beloved country Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, love for the homeland and national must be embedded in each of us of the children of the nation. We can cultivate that love in simple way. For example, proudly using domestic product especially traditional product that show more of the national identity itself. Furthermore, in terms of language use Indonesian as the language of unity between ethnic groups in the territory of unitary state of the Republic Indonesia. If necessary, invite foreign nation of Indonesia to speak Indonesian like us. Besides that, besides that, don't ever be ashamed to use regional language as one of local wisdom of our nation. But that doesn't mean we don't need to learn foreign language such as language Arabic, French, and others. In some cases, foreign language are needed, but don't forget our identity of Indonesian. Cultivating a sense of love for the homeland and can also be done by studying the history of the nation heroes of the history, the early establishment of the Indonesian nation will more or less foster a sense of nationalism and a love for the country. There are many ways to mention our identity as the nation's children who always love their homeland and country. If the love the motherland country has faded, there will be chaos. Governance is only oriented towards self-fulfillment. People distrust the government of focus everywhere, and it might even despair because if the citizens do not have the love of the motherland for their own nation, there must be a lot crime in this country. What does the country mean when the love for the country has been lost? Even in Indonesia, the cultivation of love for the country tends to be only in the school environment and maybe a little bit from the mass media. And in prestige varies from school to school. Sometimes we encounter children who attend flag ceremonies but think they talk to themselves behind the back, and some are playing and so on. Today's media also explore more about than domestically. The character value of love for the country is most important thing government administration. Growing the love of water is the answer to the current downturn in national life in order to realize the ideals or goals of the nations. By raising the love of the country, there will be harmony there that is evenly distributed. It all feels good. Government administration entrepreneurs are not arbitrary in exploiting existing national natural resource and cause good future generation. That is short speech that I can deliver. I hope that all of this can become material for our reflection together. That's enough. Less and more I apologize, and to Allah I ask forgiveness. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.